Hello dear beautiful people or peoples, it's Eiz here again. Before we start, thank you for watching this trashy tutorial of how to draw. If you want more videos like this, press the subscribe button, leave a like and comment down below what kind of tutorials you guys want, and I'll try to make them to make your lives easy and more fun, I guess. So, this style of art or art style # my art style is an art style that are easy to adapt and can be used as an base to make your own diverse art style. So enough stalling time to make the video long and let's start. So let's start with the lines you should learn to draw. These lines are very essential in drawings. Learning how to draw lines like the one in the picture will help you in a lot of ways, especially in the head part. Learning to draw this kind of lines will make you more efficient in drawing. Example of using these kind of lines is the video beside the picture. Other examples. So, if you already know how to do lines like that or you can draw them easily now, you're good to go to continue to the next part, which is anatomy. I don't use this as often anymore since I've already memorized how to draw it without creating an anatomy sketch, but I'll show you how I do it. First, create a cross like the one I'm doing, then above the horizontal line of the cross add another horizontal line. Each spaces have a purpose and it will be shown in the screen. Here's how you do it in a much closer view. To create or find where the curve for the cheeks are going to be curved, create a line with the same length or use the line in the cross for the chin and divide it into 3. The first third of this will be where the curve for the cheek starts and will end to the chin. To create the ears, use the 2 horizontal lines that are used for the eyes as the starting point and ending point of the ears. In creating eyes, there's a lot of variety. There's some easy ones, some normal ones, hard ones and advanced ones. For the nose, make the nose always near the intersection, while the mouth is under it. Usually place in the middle of the line to the chin. Next is the hair. In doing the hair, draw a curviligne in TGE forehead part which will act as the borderline. It will be your guide. In an easier term, just make sure that the line must be covered by hair. Next is add a point or a line that will act as the roots of the hair. This is where all the hair should come from and should be connected to. Add lines from the top of the head and the side, which will be used to make the hair more thick and adding more volume. Doing this will make the head look more natural and not baldish. In creating the bangs or the hair part, make sure to make it have hair segments that connects to the roots like what I'm doing. So before we end the video, here is the difference between a male and a female face anatomy. Well, that's all for now. Thank you all for watching the tutorial. If you want more tutorials to come, leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel so I will know that you guys want more videos like this. Again, that's all. Goodbye my beautiful peoples, and yes, I finally changed my OC.